Hi, I'm Mike Cash, Technical Support Manager for Epiroc USA. Today we're going to discuss adjusting the track tension on a DM45. First, we propel the machine to the non-drill end until one of the track pins is above the carrier roller. Then we place a straight edge between the carrier roller and the idler and measure the track sag at the mid-span. The correct measurement is 1 inch to 1.5 inches of sag. To adjust the track tension, use a high-pressure grease gun and access the tension adjustment in the track side frame. For more information, contact your Epiroc service center or dealer.